This is exactly why you will never ever make a single dollar from Instagram or TikTok. If there was only one thing that I could teach you that would help you make money on social media or just in life in general, it would be this right here in this video. It's called The 5 Stages of Awareness, and it comes from the best book ever in marketing and advertising. It's a book called Breakthrough Advertising. It's like $100 book, and it's the most amazing book ever. And if you really want to understand marketing on a very deep level, you should absolutely read that. But the reason you're not making money on TikTok or Instagram is because you haven't applied these principles from this book, specifically the 5 stages of awareness. So whatever you're trying to do, whatever platform you're trying to monetize, whether that is Instagram or YouTube or TikTok or Facebook or Snapchat, it doesn't matter. If you're not applying the 5 stages of awareness and you're taking your audience through the 5 stages of awareness, you're never ever going to make a sale. Because nobody is ever going to buy from you unless they are at stage 5. And the majority of your followers right now, the majority of your audience are either between stage 2 and stage 3. Some of them stage 4 as well. The reason they're not buying is because you haven't taken them to stage 5. And so the only thing that you need to do in order to make more money on Instagram or Facebook or TikTok or whatever it is to take your audience to stage 5. And so that's exactly what I'm going to be covering in this video, and we're going to be diving deep. This is probably a video that you will have to watch 5 times. It took me about a year to really understand this concept after reading and listening to the book many times and talking to my team about it and regurgitating it multiple times. And so it's going to be a deep dive, yeah, let's hop into this little presentation that I prepared. This is exactly why you're not making money on Instagram or TikTok. Again, the 5 stages of awareness. So what are the 5 stages of awareness? So again, the 5 stages of awareness is a state of consciousness, a state of awareness that your audience is in. Unless they get to stage number 5 of awareness, they're not gonna buy your product. So stage 1, they are unaware. They have no knowledge of anything except perhaps their own identity or their own opinion. So this is somebody that is in a lot of pain in their life, but they are unaware of the fact that their life is bad. They're unaware of the fact that they will probably die if they keep eating McDonald's every single day. They're in a lot of pain, but they don't even know that they, have a problem in their life. Stage number 2 is when they are problem aware. So to take someone from stage 1 to stage 2 is to basically educate them over the fact that, if you continue to eat McDonald's and you're gonna die in the next 5 years unless you make a change to your life. Now you're giving this person awareness, and they have now become problem aware. They sense that he or she has a problem in their life, but they are unaware of the solution. So at stage 2, these are people that will actually go on the internet and search and look for information. How to lose body fat, how to make money online, how to grow a new skill, how to become more confident. They sense that they have a problem, and so they are looking for a solution. But they might not even be aware of the solution, but they sense that they have a problem. And so they're ready to get to stage 3. What is stage 3? Stage 3 is solution aware. And so the prospect now knows what he wants, but they're unaware of your solution. So in this situation, they're fat, they're struggling, they've got no girlfriend, they're broke, they're disgusting. Okay, I'm aware, I have a problem in my life. I'm a disgusting fat and nobody is ever gonna wanna date me. So again, in this situation, the prospect is, they're fat, they're unhealthy, and they're like, I need to improve my life. And they now are aware of the fact that, eating more healthy and fitness and is the solution to their pain. They may be broke, they can't support their family is struggling, and they are aware of, there's a solution here, I need to make money online. That is the solution to my problem. So now they're at stage 3. They're looking for these solutions. They know they need to make money online in order to save their family. Stage number 4 is where they are aware of your solution. So this is getting a lot more specific. In stage 3, they are aware of the fact that for me to be able to support my family, I need to make money online. Making money online is the next step in my success. It's the next step. Okay, they're aware of that. That's stage 3. Stage 4, again, we're getting more specific. Now they might be aware of the fact that building a personal brand is the way to make money online. If they are, this type of person or whatnot, building a personal brand is the ticket to making money online. So this is where you sell them on your solution, because there's a million ways to make money online. There's a million ways to grow confidence. There's a million ways to get a girl. There's a million ways to lose fat. At stage 4 is where you sell them on your solution. So at stage 4, when you get them to stage 4, the prospect now knows what you sell. They know that you are all about personal branding. They know that the solution to successfully build a personal brand is breakthrough branding. They know that building a personal brand is the way that they are going to allow themselves to become financially stable. Because at the end of the day, the most valuable asset you have in today's society, where people judge you based on your numbers and vanity metrics, is a personal brand. Having a personal brand builds credibility, it builds authority, it makes you a valuable player in the reality that we live in today. If you don't have a personal brand, nobody trusts you. Nobody is going to give you money because they have no clue who they are. Transparency is the name of the game, especially today when there's so many scams lurking around. And so now they're aware of stage 4. Okay, I need to build a personal brand. But they're not sure if it's the right thing for them. The prospect knows, yes, what you sell, but they're just not sure if it's right for them. Is building a personal brand right for me? Am I the type of person to build that? And so to convince them of this, you're getting them to stage 5. And stage 5 is most aware. The prospect knows that your product is the thing that's going to allow them to achieve their goals. They just need to know, what's the deal? What's the price? Give me an offer. You promote it to me. They just need to be promoted this product and they will buy. And so to take them from stage 4 to stage 5, you got to convince them why it's for them. Like, why is building a personal brand for you? Well, if this and that, if you want to, be perceived as an authority, if you want to be trusted, if you want to go into any market with credibility, having a personal brand is so much more valuable. Because again, what people will do, everybody goes to Instagram and stalks somebody to get a feeling for who they are. And if they can't find them on Instagram, that's a red flag. Ooh, why can't I find them on Instagram? What's going on here? People literally have their identities on Instagram. That's where people go to find out more about somebody. Everybody's been stalking people. And so that's what you do. And so, again, stage 4 to stage 5, you just gotta, consistently indoctrinate them into the fact that, you gotta build a personal brand. And so that right there is the 5 stages of awareness. That is the 5 stages of awareness. And unless you are consistently taking your audience through these 5 stages, you're never gonna make any money. Now, you might be wondering, okay, Thor, so how do I do this? Well, let's take it from a monthly basis. Do I post only stage 1 content for a month? No, absolutely not. You consistently go through all of them. So on a weekly basis, you cover every single stage. Or you cover stage 1, 2, and 3, and then possibly stage 4. But there's also another thing called sales cycles and branding cycles. You don't always want to be selling. And this is another reason that you guys might not be making money, because you're always available. You always have your link in bio. You're always, available for a sale. That doesn't work. Making money on Instagram, making money on TikTok is like getting girls. If you're always, available, always, come to me. You're not interesting. You're not high value. There's nothing special about you because you're always there. You're always ready to, go on that date. Take your time. I'll be ready in 2 months if you want to date me then. Like, that doesn't work. And if you're always available for a coaching call, or if you're always available, your course always available, whatever that is, people will think, I can get it later. I can get it in, 3 weeks or so, whatever, because I know it's always going to be available. If you add timelines and deadlines to things, that changes the game. And so that's why you want to incorporate a branding cycle and a sales cycle to your marketing strategy. Now, so what that looks like is basically for a 1 month period, all you do is talk about stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. All you're doing is basically just getting every single person in your audience to stage 3. You have to make them aware of the solution. So all you're doing for a month is telling them about why building a personal brand is going to get them to their desired outcome in life. Building a personal brand is what's gonna allow you to achieve your goals. And you do that consistently for a month. Then you dive into the sales cycle, which should last 7 days to 14 days. And this is where you dive into your product and you talk about, I got something coming, guys, be ready. In 7 days, I'm gonna be dropping this, just pay attention. It's gonna completely revolutionize your life. You should build a personal brand, and you kind of hype up the product. And the whole goal of the sales cycle is to hype up the product. So now you're creating hype. And then after you've done that hype sequence, that sales sequence, which is you're not physically selling the product, you're creating excitement and awareness around the product. Then for like 3, 4, basically 5 to 7 days after that again, you do the actual sales. You actually sell the product. So now you're giving them the deal. You're telling them about the deal. A lot of your audience will now at this stage be converted into stage 5. They're at stage 4. They know there's a product. They just need to know the deal. And so now you're giving them the deal and they're at stage 5 and converting into a customer. And so that really is what you need to be doing. If you're not following the 5 stages of awareness throughout your content, you're not gonna make any money. This is why a lot of people make more money from YouTube than their TikToks and Instagrams, because on YouTube, there's a lot more content people consume. People typically watch on average 1 video. Well, that's 10 minutes. Instead of Instagram, it's like 30 seconds. So there's a lot more time to indoctrinate your audience on YouTube into the mindsets and the values and the beliefs of what it takes to become a customer. On Instagram, that's a completely different ballgame. Same on TikTok. You have much less time to communicate these values that your audience needs to have in order to buy. And so that's why people struggle more with monetizing TikTok and Instagram. Doesn't mean it's a worse platform, it just means you need to be more strategic. The beautiful thing of Instagram and TikTok is it's so easy to grow. But a lot of people don't understand marketing. A lot of people don't understand the fundamentals of branding and of sales. And so that's what I pretty much got for you guys in this video. Again, like this video if you enjoyed it. This is very much a deep dive. Hopefully this made sense and you're understanding it. I would recommend watching this video again and really start chunking your audience into these different blocks. What is it, when you're writing a caption, ask yourself, what stage is this caption in? What stage is this caption converting my audience to? Are you talking about the problem? Are you talking about the solution? Are you talking about the pains they're in? Related to what you're talking about a different stage. You're in a different stage. So be mindful of that, when you're moving forward. Yeah, that's pretty much what I got for you in this video. And yeah. Like it if you enjoyed it, drop a comment below, let me know if this was valuable, and I will see you guys in the next one.